Hi everybody, it's me, Carrie, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Farmington Hills, Michigan, with a pre-recorded pre-announcement of Party Week. Woohoo! Now, what day is it? Well, this is going to post on Wednesday, January 4th, 2023. Party Week officially begins tomorrow, Thursday, January 5th. Why am I starting Party Week on a Thursday? Because Celebration and the new January to April mini catalog go live tomorrow, January 5th. So I wanted to be sure I got you guys prepared for what's going to be happening. First of all, if you have experienced a party week with me before, please comment below so other people can see what they are in for and share your excitement about the fun that we have during party week. There's a couple of other things I want you to know. This time for party week, you are going to see a variety of videos. Some, like this one, will be pre-recorded. Some will be live, so I can share the excitement with you in real time. And there will be prizes, drawings for answering different questions and things that you're going to see pop up. In fact, you may have seen some pop up already. Did you answer them? Quick, go scroll my page and see if there are some things you need to be answering, because answering is going to equal drawing opportunities. Also, if you are one of my awesome loyal customers who in the year of 2022 placed an order with me January through like the early week of December, you got a holiday card, and in your holiday card was one of these fun tickets. Have this ticket handy. Your ticket has a number on it. You're going to want to have that handy because we're going to be drawing special tickets for people who have been placing orders with me in 2022. And of course, there's going to be some great opportunities for you to win prizes when you place an order during party week. That being said, don't place your orders until January 5th. Who says that? Who says don't come and spend money with me? Well, I do, because you don't want to start ordering. First of all, you can't order anything out of mini catalog until Thursday the 5th. But you also aren't going to get any prizes out of Celebration. So, what is Celebration? Well, let me explain that to you real quick. If you've never experienced Celebration, this is how it works. This is the very special promotion that Stampin' Up! Does for their customers, and it's once a year. I know what you're thinking. It's been twice a year. No. For 2023, it is once a year, and it's going to run from January 5th through the end of February. And how it works is, for every $50 in product, not including tax and shipping, that you purchase through your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, hopefully it's me. If it is, you're going to want to go to MemoryINKers.com and place your orders. I will have a hostess code attached when I post this. It will be in the comments above the video, but I don't have it yet because I'm pre-recording this. So you're going to want to use that hostess code also to win extra prizes during party week. So for $50 in orders, you're going to get it to pick one level 1 item. If you purchase $100, you can either pick 2 level 1 items or 1 level 2 item. And that runs for any amount that you end up spending. Even if you go over $150 and you become a hostess, which there's also a hostess special, then you still, those $50 increments, 50, 100, those increments you pick, but they all have to be in one order. You can't order $25 in one order and $25 in another and combine those. That doesn't work. Has to be a minimum of $50 in one order. So I want to make sure you guys know that. So This is the mini celebration catalog. If you did not receive this from me, which you should have, if you placed an order in 2022, I had Stampin' Up! Mail them to you. Hopefully you guys all have them by now. You know, with the mail and the holiday, we're never really sure what time they show up, but you can see them online on my page, my Stampin' Up! Website at MemoryINKers.com. Questions? Email me, MemoryINKers@gmail.com. Okay, so here is the catalog. And I'm not going to go page by page. We're going to just go through it as we go. But you will see, you start out with some $50 items. This is probably going to be really popular, Adorable Owls. So if you really like this one, don't hesitate to grab it. I'll be doing some projects with that. There are quite a few $50 items. Some of them are designer series paper. For instance, this pack, Dainty Flowers, is a 12 by 12, 12 sheets of designer series paper, and if you look right here, it's going to tell you that it coordinates with the Dainty Delight bundle on page 55 of the mini catalog, and here's the number for it, and it sells for $54.75, which is over 50, so you could get the paper for free. So you would go to page 55 and go, oh, this is really pretty, and look, it's bundled with these great dies. So you could end up with all of that and this designer series paper for free. Okay, so that's just one of the things that happens in this catalog. You will see other designer series papers in here. This one tells you that it bundles with the on the farm bundle. Here's another one, and this one bundles with the elegant flowers. So there is quite a bit. This is the last of the $50 level 1 items right here on page 12. Then you've got 2 items that are level 2. This gorgeous, 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 they gave us this at the Stampin' Up! Event, the Beautifully Happy stamp set. You'll be seeing me using that for the next 2 months. It is lovely. Oh, you're going to love it. And then there is a pack of designer series paper. And you're thinking, wait a minute, Carrie, there, you just showed me a bunch of designer series paper that were in the level 1. Well, that's true. Those were 12 sheets of 12 by 12. This pack is 48 sheets of 12 by 12. So you're getting 4 times the amount of designer series paper. So if you really like paper, and who doesn't, let's be honest, this 48 pack you're going to love, 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 love. So that's how Celebration works. But if you decide you've got to have too much, or you and your friends get together and you place an order of at least $300, you're going to be able to get for free the Scenic Garden as just an additional hostess gift. Doesn't take away your hostess benefits monies that you get to spend. It's just an added bonus. That's on page 17 of the catalog. You can, again, also view it on my website at MemoryINKers.com. But the best deal during Celebration is always the Join Our Family group. You would love every minute of it. I have been a demonstrator in February, it'll be 22 years, and love it. Love it, love it, love it. I started out just to feed my habit, and here I am. I can't get away from it. So what is so great about joining during Celebration? Well, normally you could purchase joining the kit for $99, and you get $125 worth of product. Well, you can still spend $99, but option 3 gives you $175 in free product. That is free current product. So anything in the new mini, anything in the annual catalog, up to $175 worth of product for $99. That is a really good deal. Plus, you will get things, if you choose to turn it into a business like I did, that you will need. Catalogs, order forms, miscellaneous information. You'll have access to the Demonstrator website, which has tons of information. You can join the Demonstrator only Facebook page, and you'll be on my team, which, hey, you get me, which is fun. Okay, let's toot our own horn there. Sorry about that. But it is so much fun. So notice I said that was option 3. So what are options 1 and 2? Well, for options 1 and 2, you still get to choose $175 worth of product, but The kit then costs $129. Why is it $30 more? Because they're going to give you the mini cut and emboss machine. This machine is so awesome. If you don't have a cutting machine, this is a great place to start. If you have our full-size Stamp and Cut and Emboss, this is still a go-to item. And definitely for the next 2 months, you're going to be seeing me use it a lot. I do use it a lot. Of course, I have the large one. Of course, there are certain things you can't do in this machine. The base is only so wide, and there are certain dies that won't fit in there. But you'd be surprised the dies that will. And I will be showing you that. Now, there are 2 options for this awesome opportunity to get the mini cut and emboss machine. Level 2 means you want it in white. You like the white. The white is cool. That's your thing. Okay? I like the white. I think it's fun. But there is the option to get it in boho blue. Look at how cute that is. So maybe you want yours to be special because they're not going to sell it in boho blue. Yours will be special. And you will always remember that, hey, you later down the road, people are going to go, how come you have a blue one? And you can say, hey, I made the best decision of all, and I joined Stampin' Up. Let me tell you how you can get Stampin' Up products, just like I say to you guys. And then your friends will become addicted, because you know there's something in the ink, right? Shh, don't tell anybody I said that, but I don't have scientific proof, just proof. All right, you guys, so anyway, that is Celebration. Best deal around. Join my team. I would love to have you. The new catalog, the annual catalog is still available, and the fun of Celebration through from January 5th through February 28th. And the party starts tomorrow. So have your tickets handy. Go through and look at the things that I've posted since Monday and make comments. Do it if it tells you to do something for a prize, do it. And please share this video with your friends. Not only will that put you in my normal monthly drawing for sharing my prizes, but it will also put you in an additional prizes for Party Week. So make sure you comment below that you've shared. I can see when you've shared, so I will go back to wherever you shared it and I will comment on that share. Thank you for sharing. If you are seeing this on someone's share or on my YouTube channel and you want to participate in the fun, you do have to be on my Facebook page, which is facebook.com/MemoryINKers. And so make sure that you go and follow me there. If you watch me all the time, but you don't always follow, make sure you go and you click that button that says, I want to follow MemoryINKers on Facebook. And I hope you guys are excited. Please, if you've been in one of my Facebook parties before, Party Weeks especially, please comment below. Tell everybody what you thought. Share your excitement because I know you guys love this. And like I said, the wheel's coming back. Who doesn't love a good wheel? All right, you guys. See you during Party Week. Wear your hats. Bye.